Welcome to the Rock Your Class Math Minute, brought to you by me, your host, Etienne, with ideas and strategies taken from and inspired by the #1 best-selling book, Rock Your Class. Get ready for today's Math Minute topic.
Discounts.
What does the dictionary say?
A deduction from the usual cost of something.
Math rap.
Save me some money and make it count. Lower the price for a real discount. A percentage off here or a special deal there. $10 for one or $15 for a pair.
Math rap.
What did the students say when the teacher handed out the math test on discounts? Discount for marks, miss? Explain discounts in your own words. Don't discount a thought. Design and draw a detailed 20% off discount coupon for a pair of shoes. The new video game called MathBots Attack is regularly $100. The price is being discounted. Which of these is the best deal? Why? 50% discount? 1/4 off of the regular price? Or a $40 rebate? Now it's your turn for some inspection and reflection. You can rewind, rewatch, and pause any part of today's Math Minute. Complete the activity tool, then share your ideas with a partner, in a small group, or with the entire class. Enjoy exploring and discussing today's Rock Your Class Math Minute. May all your math minutes rock!